Okay, I got it cut now.
We are Iconiacs 226.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh. What up, what up?
We are going to do video diaries.
Yes, we are.
Of
For
everything.
the Iconic experience in Phoenix.
Arizona. Woo. And then, yeah, we've already made one poster for them. Let me show you.
Yeah, you can be jealous. My phone's vibrating. Yeah. Ooh.
It says
A lot of
Dietrich,
stuff.
Little Mama, JC Shazay, or Shazaz, whatever.
Shazay.
Those are some manly abs, Mikey.
Ooh, yes, they are right here.
Ugh.
Touching his abs.
Give me my fish fillet.
Give me my fillet of fish. Give me my fish. Nicki Minaj booty bounce. And then
I love the Iconic boys.
her. So. And then
Y'all are so cute with your little deer headphones and your
little
little
deer
deer
jumpsuit.
Iconic boys stole America's heart.
And then chicken nuggets. And then dancing Justin Bieber's. And then
Lewis.
your winners in our hearts.
ABDC moment season 6 Iconic boy.
T-Money.
Madison, Jason, Nick,
Mikey.
He's small, but
Yeah.
we made this one bigger.
Yes.
And then turn around. There's something on the back.
It's us.
That's moi.
And that's moi.
It says, tweet me maybe at Iconic Tay. I love the Iconic boys. What does that say?
Idols.
Idols.
And then at Christy Iconic, that's my Twitter. Follow me. And then I love the Iconic boys, man, and they are my inspiration. And then much love, Christy and Taylor.
And then also please support our dance crew, Azona at Azona
That's our
One.
dance crew.
from Phoenix, Arizona.
Yes.
Please and thank you.
Yes.
Follow all of us.
Follow. Yes. We have 6 girls and 1 boy. But we had another boy. We are not copying
But he
RNG. But the other boy quit because he couldn't make time for it. But we're gonna try to find another guy. Hopefully we can find one.
And then
We are not
got
copying RNG.
more stuff for the boys. We have. Where's T-Money? Where?
Right here.
Okay.
This is
We got
T-Money's
T-Money.
sunglasses. Woo!
This is
And
Mikey.
this is Mikey's because they're gold, so we
He's
just
just
thought
like
of them.
And then the
And then-
rest are just for like.
Yeah,
whoever.
this is Madison's, and then this is Nick's, and then this is Lewis, and then Julian. He gets the purple ones. And Jason. He gets the star ones. They're
No,
purple.
you already said Jason.
No, I didn't.
No,
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did, didn't you?
Did I? No, I didn't.
Alright, let's retry it.
Let's start over.
Alright, T-Money.
Okay, T-Money.
Mikey.
Mikey.
I want to give these ones to Nick.
Okay, these are
Nick.
Nick's. Lewis. Jason.
Madison.
Madison. Sorry, I blanked out. And then Julian. He gets the purple stars.
Because he's a star. Isn't his name like Hollywood?
Yeah. Oh, the perfect for him then. I just remembered that.
Woo. Yeah.
And then they got them water guns. So that they can squirt them around. And
Water guns. And then we just got glitter.
yeah.
And-
And cards and stuff, you know.
And we're also going to give them little bears.
Yes. And we might give them some more stuff if we can think of stuff. We were going to get them like... Oh, no, wait. I don't want to blow that.
We're not
Never mind.
saying
It's a surprise. Don't copy us.
at all. We'll kill you.
We will find you.
And we will
We
hunt
will
you down.
find you.
We will hunt you down. We need to find. I have all
All these hurt my knees.
stuff in here.
So yeah, we're gonna make video diaries on our way to and at, because we're staying at the hotel too, and we are going to, yeah, we're gonna make video diaries. So stay tuned so you can watch our stuff and what we're gonna do and at the concert and all this stuff. You know, yes, we can get him a duck. Quack quack. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned. I love you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Toodalay.
Shout out to Azona, our dance crew. Woo.
Also, you
Support
follow us.
At Azona1. Thank you.
We're also gonna update a little later after we finish
Yes.
some more of our stuff.
Yes. So